Let's make this text animation. Write your text, whatever it is. Drop down, Text Properties. Click on Animate button, then select Position, and click on Add, and select Opacity. Make Opacity to 0%, and set Position to 150. Drop down Range Selector, go to Beginning in the Timeline, and make Offset -100, and move forward to 1 second, and put the offset to +100. Drop down Advanced Setting and change Shape to Ramp Up, and Ease High to 25% and Ease Low to 100%. Select Keyframes and make them Easy Ease. Shortcut, press F9. Also, enable Motion Blur. Copy both keyframes and move forward to 2 seconds and paste the keyframes. And right-click on Keyframe, go to Keyframe Assistant and select Time Reverse Keyframes. This is how you gonna make it. Do subscribe my channel, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.